5 mind-blowing predictions for the future of wealth. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? I have a bold prediction for 2032 that could be the key to unlocking your wealth. With my years of experience in the financial industry, I've got an educated guess about what the future holds and what it takes to become a millionaire. In this video, I'm sharing my vision for the next decade and beyond. I'll be making 5 strong predictions about the future of the financial industry, including the importance of artificial intelligence and financial technology. These predictions will help you make informed decisions about your job, side hustle, business, and even investments. Before we started, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. The world is constantly changing, and it's essential to have a clear vision of the future if you want to get ahead. Just like a strong swimmer in a fast-moving river, you need to be positioned in the right place to make the most of the current. And I'm here to help you do just that. So, join me on this journey and learn about the industries that are poised for explosive growth. With the right skills and mindset, anyone can become wealthy, and I'm confident that my predictions will give you the insight you need to make it happen. Are you ready to get on the fast track to millionaire status? Let's get started. Prediction 1. Our finances will become completely digital, leading to a cashless society. Are you ready to say goodbye to cash and hello to a completely digital financial future? It may sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's not as far-fetched as you think. The trend towards digital currencies is already starting to take shape, and it's only a matter of time before it becomes the norm. Think about it. Why carry around paper money when we live in a digital world where everything is interconnected? Companies in the financial technology industry are heavily investing in this shift, with high-salaried employees working tirelessly to make it a reality. They believe, as I do, that this is the future of finance. Now, I understand that some people may be skeptical about cryptocurrency and its fluctuating value. But if you take a look at history, you'll see similarities between the current crypto boom and the dot-com bubble of the 1990s. While some stocks with catchy names may have soared, the internet companies with solid business models ultimately came out on top, like Amazon.com. The blockchain technology behind cryptocurrency is a true game changer, offering increased trust, security, and transparency. It's not surprising that governments are also taking notice, as it makes tax collection and management easier and more transparent. But it also allows us to see exactly where our tax dollars are going, making it easier to detect any potential fraud. While not all cryptocurrencies may survive, some will emerge as winners in the long run. And with more and more countries developing their own digital currencies, there may be a need for a universal global currency, and Bitcoin may be the answer. The future of blockchain technology is still uncertain, but I have no doubt that it will be widely adopted by businesses, banks, payment apps, and beyond. Making payments will become seamless and effortless, without even realizing it. Prediction 2. The future is all about digital assets. Companies that rely on the value of the data they gather will emerge as the new leaders. The hotel industry is a prime example of this shift. While many believe Airbnb is disrupting the traditional hotel model, what they don't know is that most hotel chains don't actually own many properties. They've adapted to a franchise approach, offering to brand independent hotels with their name in return for a share of the profits. By 2032, the value of digital assets will surpass that of physical ones. Data plays a crucial role in our lives, influencing what we buy and what ads we see. The trend towards digitalization is already evident in the video game industry, with 71% of sales being digital in 2021. Investing in digital assets might be a wise choice if you want to grow your wealth. As the world moves towards a digital future, allocating some of your investment budget in this area could pay off. Just remember, to be successful, it's important to go with the flow. Prediction 3. The future of content is headed towards a more immersive experience. Over the past decade, we've seen a steady progression towards more realistic entertainment, moving from blogs to photos to HD video streaming on 5G networks. But what's next? I predict that in the next 10 years, content won't just be about passively watching, but about actively experiencing. Think about a world where films and gaming are combined, allowing you to become your favorite character and experience things like flying a fighter jet or having a picnic surrounded by dinosaurs. This vision is shared by Mark Zuckerberg, who recently rebranded Facebook as Meta and is investing billions each year to create the metaverse. To stay ahead, Meta is betting big on the future of immersive content, a market that is expected to soar to $678 billion by 2030. While there are certainly privacy concerns to address, the possibilities are endless for this exciting new era of content. Prediction 4. Artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize all industries. The idea of artificial intelligence often conjures up images of a future dominated by robots, like in the Terminator movies. However, in reality, AI has already become a ubiquitous presence in our lives and is only poised to grow stronger. ChatGPT is a prime example of the impact AI is having on our world. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a large language model trained to generate human-like responses to a wide range of questions. It has the ability to understand and generate text in multiple languages, making it an incredibly powerful tool for communication and information dissemination. Imagine a world where AI impacts every aspect of our lives, from the food we eat to the medicine we take, and even the people we date. This could result in a dystopian outcome or could mark the beginning of a new era of technological progress. With AI systems like ChatGPT, the world of business, education, and customer service are being revolutionized. Chatbots are now able to handle customer inquiries with unprecedented speed and accuracy, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex tasks. In education, AI-powered tutoring systems are being developed to personalize learning and make education accessible to everyone. And in the medical field, AI is being used to diagnose and treat diseases with increasing accuracy. AI is not just about machines that exhibit intelligence, it goes much deeper. For example, YouTube algorithm. Being a massive platform with 720,000 hours of video uploaded daily, YouTube needs a way to show the right videos to the right viewers, and this is where AI comes in. The algorithms have become so sophisticated that they act almost like a living entity. This level of AI has the power to sway millions and potentially impact the outcome of elections. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns and relationships, AI has the potential to change the way we understand and interact with the world. You don't need to be tech-savvy to participate in this rapidly growing sector. You can also benefit by investing in companies that incorporate AI as a critical part of their business model. Take Tesla for example. While it may appear to be just a car company, it is much more than that. Every Tesla vehicle is equipped with multiple cameras, and the data gathered is fed into their self-driving AI system, giving Tesla a significant advantage and putting it years ahead of any other car company. And that's not all. Elon Musk has stated that Tesla's humanoid robot could be worth more than the car business. Of course, before investing in anything, it's essential to do your research and make informed decisions. AI is changing the world in profound ways and is leading to a new era of technological progress. With systems like ChatGPT, we are seeing the power of AI to revolutionize communication, education, medicine, and many other industries. And as AI continues to evolve, it has the potential to change the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Prediction 5. A green future ahead with over 80% renewable energy. The transition to clean and renewable energy sources is a critical step towards a greener future. With global governments backing this shift, it's only a matter of time before fossil fuels become a thing of the past. The UK government, for instance, has plans to phase out the sale of diesel and petrol vehicles by 2030, which is sure to shake up the automotive industry. Renewables are poised to take the world by storm, with solar energy leading the charge. By 2026, solar is expected to contribute more than half of the growth in global power capacity. In the next 5 years, the growth of renewable energy sources is predicted to be 50% higher compared to the previous 5-year period. Investing in renewable energy companies could be a wise decision, as they are likely to thrive in the coming decade. Companies like Enphase are already making a significant impact in the sector. On the other hand, companies that rely heavily on fossil fuels and those who are slow to embrace the change may not perform as well. This may seem like a radical departure from the powerful oil companies of the past, but the top companies are always evolving, and the transition to renewables may be the spark that drives a massive change. In 10 years, we'll see how accurate these predictions turned out to be. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let us know what you think about these predictions and what you'd like to see from us in the future. Until then, make sure to subscribe for more insights on growing your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.